Hey everyone, it's Bill Nye here. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about the human body that you probably didn't learn in school. Get ready to explore the amazing world inside you. We're talking bones, brains, and everything in between. You might think you know your body, but trust me, we're about to uncover some seriously cool stuff. So strap on, get ready for some science, and let's unravel the mysteries of the human body together.
Alright, science fans, let's talk bones. Did you know that your bones are stronger than steel? It's true. Pound for pound, bone can withstand more pressure than a steel rod of the same size. That's because bones are made of this incredible matrix of collagen and calcium phosphate. Think of it like a super strong scaffold that supports your entire body. And get this, your bones are constantly remodeling themselves, replacing old bone tissue with new bone tissue. It's like having a built-in construction crew working on your skeleton 24/7. So next time you see a skyscraper, remember this, your bones are engineering marvels that are even tougher than steel. Now, that's something to be proud of.
Let's talk about your stomach, the ultimate food processor. Now, your stomach is a pretty tough customer. It's filled with powerful acids that break down everything you eat. But here's the thing, how come your stomach doesn't digest itself? I mean, it's made of the same stuff, right? Well, the answer is pretty amazing. Your stomach has this incredible self-defense mechanism. It gets a brand new lining every few days. That's right, the cells lining your stomach are constantly being replaced, preventing those powerful acids from eating through the stomach wall. It's like having a self-healing superpower right in your gut. So the next time you enjoy a delicious meal, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work your stomach is doing to keep itself intact.
Let's talk about your sense of smell, one of the most powerful senses you have. It's often underestimated, but your nose is constantly working to help you navigate the world. Your nose is a sensory superhero, capable of detecting over 1 trillion different scents. Imagine that, 1 trillion unique smells, each with its own story to tell. That's right, 1 trillion. From the sweet smell of freshly baked cookies to the earthy aroma of a forest after the rain, your nose can distinguish an incredible range of odors. Think about the comforting scent of your favorite meal or the refreshing smell of the ocean breeze. How does it do it? Well, it's all thanks to the millions of olfactory receptors located in your nasal cavity. These receptors are specialized cells that detect different chemical compounds in the air. These receptors are like tiny chemical detectors, each tuned to a specific scent molecule. When a scent molecule binds to a receptor, it triggers a signal that travels to your brain. When you inhale, these molecules bind to the receptors, sending signals to your brain, which then interprets them as different smells. This process happens in an instant, allowing you to react to your environment almost immediately. So the next time you take a deep breath and enjoy a pleasant aroma, remember the incredible power of your nose and its ability to unlock a world of scents. It's not just about smelling good things, it's about connecting with memories, emotions, and even detecting danger. Your sense of smell is truly a remarkable gift.
Okay everyone, let's talk about body fat. It's a topic that often gets a bad rap, but there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Now I know what you're thinking. Body fat? That's the stuff I'm trying to get rid of. We often associate body fat with negative connotations, like being out of shape or unhealthy. But hold on a second. Body fat is actually essential for survival. It's not just about appearance, it's about function and health. It cushions your organs, insulates your body, and stores energy. Without it, our bodies wouldn't be able to function properly. But here's a fact that might surprise you. Your body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. Yes, you heard that right. 7 bars of soap. I know it sounds crazy, right? It's one of those quirky facts that makes you stop and think. But it's true. The average person has enough fat to make a small soap factory jealous. Imagine all those bars of soap lined up. Now I'm not suggesting you start making soap from body fat, but it's a fun fact that highlights just how much fat our bodies actually store. It's a reminder that our bodies are incredible and full of surprises. So, the next time you think about body fat, remember that it plays an important role in keeping you healthy, even if it could theoretically be turned into soap. Embrace the complexity of your body and appreciate all it does for you.
Have you ever blushed? You know that feeling when your cheeks turn red when you're embarrassed or flustered? Well, guess what? Humans are the only species known to blush. That's right, we're the only ones who turn crimson when we're feeling a bit sheepish. Scientists believe that blushing is an involuntary physiological response triggered by the sympathetic nervous system. It's like our body's way of expressing emotions that we might not be able to put into words. And while blushing can sometimes feel awkward, it's actually a fascinating example of the complex interplay between our minds and bodies. So, the next time you blush, remember that you're experiencing a uniquely human phenomenon.
Let's talk about your heart, the tireless engine that keeps your blood pumping 24/7. Your heart is a muscular marvel, about the size of your fist, and it's responsible for circulating blood throughout your entire body. Now get this, your heart beats around 100,000 times a day. That's right, 100,000 times, and it does this without ever taking a break. Over a lifetime, that adds up to billions and billions of heartbeats. Each heartbeat pumps about 2.5 ounces of blood, which means your heart pumps about 2,000 gallons of blood every single day. That's enough to fill a small swimming pool. So, the next time you feel your heartbeat, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work this amazing organ does for you.
Let's talk about the command center of your body, the incredible human brain. Your brain is a complex organ, responsible for everything you think, feel, and do. It's the ultimate multitasker, processing information from your senses, controlling your movements, and even regulating your emotions. But here's a fact that might surprise you. Your brain can generate about 23 watts of power. That's right, 23 watts. That's enough to power a light bulb. This electrical activity is generated by billions of neurons in your brain, communicating with each other through tiny electrical impulses. It's a remarkable example of the power of nature and the incredible capabilities of the human body.
Let's talk about saliva, that watery substance that's constantly being produced in your mouth. You might not give it much thought, but it's always there, working behind the scenes. Now, you might not think much about saliva, but it plays a crucial role in digestion and keeping your mouth healthy. Without it, eating and speaking would be much more difficult. Did you know that you produce about 1 to 1.5 liters of saliva each day? That's a lot of liquid, more than you might expect. That's right, 1 to 1.5 liters. Imagine filling up a large bottle with that much saliva every single day. That's like having a built-in water fountain in your mouth. It's constantly flowing, keeping everything moist and functional. Saliva helps to lubricate your food, making it easier to swallow. Imagine trying to eat a dry cracker without any saliva. It would be nearly impossible. It also contains enzymes that begin the process of digestion, breaking down starches into simpler sugars. This is the first step in turning your food into the energy your body needs. And to top it off, saliva helps to neutralize acids in your mouth, protecting your teeth from decay. It's like having a natural defense system against cavities. So, the next time you swallow, remember the important role that saliva plays in keeping you healthy. It's not just a simple fluid, it's a vital part of your digestive system and oral health.
Let's talk about your skin, the largest organ in your body. That's right, your skin is an organ, just like your heart, lungs, and liver. And it's a pretty amazing one at that. Your skin acts as a protective barrier against the outside world, shielding you from harmful UV rays, bacteria, and other environmental threats. It also helps to regulate your body temperature, keeping you cool when it's hot and warm when it's cold. And get this, your skin can weigh up to 20 pounds. That's right, 20 pounds. That's heavier than a bowling ball. So the next time you think about your skin, remember that it's not just a covering. It's a vital organ that plays a crucial role in keeping you healthy.
Let's talk about DNA, the genetic blueprint that makes you, you. Your DNA contains all the instructions for building and maintaining your body, from the color of your eyes to the shape of your nose. But here's a mind-blowing fact. Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. That's right, bananas. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bill, are you saying I'm half banana? Well, not exactly. While we share a significant portion of our DNA with bananas, it's important to remember that we're talking about very basic biological processes. The fact that we share so much DNA with bananas highlights the interconnectedness of all living things and the shared evolutionary history that unites us. So, the next time you enjoy a banana, remember that you're sharing a meal with a distant relative.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these surprising facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.